Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Mudhill. Let's discover what this special name means together. Al-Mudhill means that Allah teaches us to be humble and kind. Being humble means not showing off or thinking we're better than others. Allah wants us to be gentle and respectful to everyone. Look at how the tall trees bend in the wind. Even though they're so big and strong, they bow gently. The rain clouds also come down low to share water with everyone. Nature shows us how to be humble. Let's meet Sarah, who loves to play with her friends. Even though she's really good at drawing, she doesn't brag about it. Instead, she helps her friends learn to draw too. This makes everyone happy and want to play with her. When we're humble like Allah teaches us, it makes everyone feel good. People smile more, we make more friends, and everyone wants to spend time together. Being humble is like giving a gift of happiness to others. Let's see how we can be humble every day. We can say thank you, help others, share our toys, and listen when others are speaking. These small actions show that we're following Allah's teaching of Al-Mudhill. Remember, dear children, when we understand Al-Mudhill, we learn that being humble makes us strong in a special way. It helps us make friends, be kind, and make Allah happy with us. Thank you for learning about Al-Mudhill with us today. Remember to be humble and kind, just like Allah teaches us. See you next time, friends.